Hello students, welcome back. Let us continue with exercise 14.2 of chapter 14 statistics. The second question, the distance in kilometers of 40 engineers from their residences to the place of work are found as follows. So these are the distances in kilometers of the engineers from the place of work to their homes. Now we need to construct a grouped frequency distribution table. So FDT is for frequency distribution table with class size 5 for the data given above. Taking the first class interval. So CI is class interval as 0 to 5 where 5 is not included. So what does 5 not included means? That is in the class interval you're just going to take the values from greater than equal to 0 up to less than 5. So less than 5 will be up to 4 or up to 4.9 because kilometers could be in decimals as well. What main features do you observe from this tabular representation? So tabular representation is the table. Tabular stands for table. Okay, so you have to draw conclusions from whatever analysis you perform after the frequency distribution table is drawn. So I have taken the first class interval as 0 to 5 and this is going to be the distance in kilometers. Then you have tally marks for each of the countings that we will be denoting, and finally the frequency which we will count through the tally marks. So let's complete this column first and the other columns consecutively. So 0 to 5 we have to maintain consistency, so this will become 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30 and 30 to 35. So why am I halting at 35 and I'm not going further? Because the largest value that I have is 32. So 32, 35 is sufficient. It's no point writing 35 to 40, 45 to 50 and so on because we won't have any entries. The frequency will be 0. And finally I will write the total here which we will be filling towards the end over here in this row. Now tally marks for 0 to 5 wherein we will take values only from greater than equal to 0 up to less than 5 which is 4.9. So let's check 5, no, you have 3 will come here, then this row none, this row you have 2, so 2, then you have 3, here 3 and 2. So this is a total of 5. Let's move on with 5 to 10. So this entry 5 will come in this row over here, that is the class interval 5 to 10 and not 0 to 5. So 5 to 10, 1. Then 10 will not come here because we are going to take only values up to less than 10. 10 will go here, so I am not taking that into account. Then let's check, you have a 7. So let me cancel it out properly. Then you have nothing here. You have 1, 2 and strikes off. So group of 5. Then you have 8, then you have 5 and nothing here. Then you have another entry 3, you have another entry 4 and you have another entry here and 6. So this is 11. Let's move on to 10 to 15. So now 10 will come here and 11 and 13 and 12, then again 10, so strike this off, then you have 12, then you have 11, then you have 12. What about this 15? Will it come here? No, because it will go in this class, right? So again 12, then 14, so strike this off and there's another one, so 1. So this is again 11. Let's move on to 20 to 25. So 20 will come here but 25 won't. So 20 to 25. Did I miss out on anything? There is, okay. Sorry, this is 15 to 20. So 15 to 20, you have 19, then you have 17, then you have 18, then you have 17 and you have 16. So a group of 5 tally marks, then again you have 15, you have 18, then you have 15, and you have 15. So this is going to be 9. Okay, let's move on to 20 to 25. So 20 to 25, 20 will come here, but 25 won't. Okay, and here, and here, and here, just 1. Then how about 25 to 30? So 25, I'll use a different colored chalk for 25. So 25, 1, and anything, none. So this is going to be 1. Now let's check for 30 to 35. So 31, and I have 32. So I guess that's it, everything stroked off. Okay, so you have 2 over here. Now let's confirm whether we are getting a total count of 40, because here the number of engineers should be 40, right? So let's calculate 11 plus 5, 16, 16 plus 11. Okay, let's just do it the traditional way, 5, 6, 7, 7 plus 9, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 2, 3, 4, 40. So yes, our total count is 40. So this is the total count of the engineers. Now we need to write down our observations. So what do you observe? Let's check. I observe that 4 of the entries look similar, wherein I have 11 and 11 here, and I have 1 and 1 here. So entries for class intervals 5 to 10 and 10 to 15, the frequency is the same, and it's also the highest number of entries, right, over here. So maximum number of engineers live within a distance of 5 to 10 kilometers and 10 to 15 kilometers from their homes and offices. And also the entries in class intervals 20 to 25 and 25 to 30 is same. They are equal, and also we see that this is the minimum count, right? So minimum number of engineers stay within a distance or reside within a distance of 20 to 25 kilometers and 25 to 30 kilometers. So you can just say 20 to 30 kilometers instead of 20 to 25 and 25 to 30. Similarly, maximum number of engineers stay within a distance of 5 to 15 kilometers. So let's write down our observations. So first observation is class intervals. So I'm just writing CIs for class intervals. Class intervals 5 to 10 and 10 to 15 have equal entries, which is 11, right? Also, maximum number of engineers reside within a distance of 5 to 15 kilometers from their homes to place of work, right? You can write this as 2 separate points, but since we have the for the entries for the same groups and also the maximum number of engineers in the same group, I have just clubbed it as 1 point. Okay, let's take a look at the second observation. Class intervals 20 to 25 and 25 to 30 have equal entries, which is equal to 1. Also, minimum number of engineers reside within a distance of 20 to 25 kilometers from, this is 20 to 30, because you have 20 to 25 and 25 to 30, right, from their homes to place of work. So this was about question number 2. I hope you had fun, just like I did while solving this question. Thank you for watching this video.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.